Carl, finally, just want to quickly note my favorite thing looking at the retail sales number. If you don't think the reopening is real, take a look at these numbers. Sporting goods up 23%, gasoline 11%, and my favorite, restaurant and bars up 13%. That reopening is very, very real. Carl, back to you.
All right, Bob, thanks. We got more data on the way as well. Let's get back to Rick Santelli. Hey, Rick.
Hi, Carl. Indeed, we have more data coming out at the top of the hour. Let's pay a very close attention to what's going on in interest rates because it's very counterintuitive. Look at an intraday of 10s. Yields are moving down. Now, why would they move down? You heard Bob. You heard me this morning at 8:30 Eastern. Retail sales were great. Non-seasonally adjusted numbers for retail sales were even stronger. Claims were good. The only thing that wasn't very hot was industrial production past utilization. But as you see on that chart, all the action actually was right at and slightly before 8:30 Eastern. I'll tell you what's going on there. It's technicals. Look at a two-day at 10s. It answers all the questions. A, we probably didn't bounce high enough. And B, we were so close, it was like a magnet pulling us. We haven't closed under 1.60 yield since the 11th of March, as you see on the next chart. And the dollar index is following interest rates. There's a 1 week of the dollar index, really getting crushed the last couple of sessions. It looks to be closing at a 1 month low, as you see on this chart. Seems like March 11th is a big day, not only for the dollar index, but for interest rates as well. Carl, Jim, David, back to you.
All right, Rick, we'll see you in a few minutes for more data, as we said. In the meantime, as we also said, record highs for the Dow and the S&P as we get some tailwind here from both macro and earnings. Back in a moment. Strong tape this morning, but the bank's not really participating. Financials as a sector are red. B of A down 3% as loan growth is challenged. Net interest income obviously a little bit weak, and the 10-year yield now below 1.6. More Squawk on the Street continues in just a moment.
Steve and Dave use eToro to trade cryptocurrencies. Steve does extensive.
You have to think about it. How do you really know prices are seriously overinflated? Would everybody just walk around with prices seriously overinflated? It would impact currency and purchasing power. That's why you want to watch the Chinese currency and then the Russian currency as well. Oil and then general consumer goods. Because that way, if the prices are truly inflated, you would see it reflected through another global currency as that's the whole reaction to it. That would actually show you. It's one to say prices are inflated. It's another to see the actual money value and purchasing power change because of that. If people really didn't believe that, it would operate in a different way. You would see more abrupt movements. That's why I'm saying wait for one of those events, or wait for that to happen, and then you will have more validity. Otherwise, you'll see it. But a lot of people are calling for a crash all of a sudden. I think it's kind of it goes back and forth. Yeah, food prices are up, and food prices are part of that equation. It has to keep going. That's why, but that could take 2-3 months. When a lot of people are calling for a crash, it's not going to happen. I mean, I don't really care what happens either way, but I mean, make sure you own quality assets. I still stand by that theory. I mean, it seems like it seems like there's an attitude of selling things. Again, that's what the whole CNBC cult thing was saying, and I agree and I disagree, but it's just more along the line that, a lot of people get worried at these moments, but like, what is the alternative? I mean, I would rather own very good quality assets, not really concerned about the up or down about it, instead of getting clapped through the value. Cash is good, but, owning good assets that outpace inflation, you'll be better off. I have the HD Leaps. I sold 2 of them. I sold 8 of them, actually. So if you remember, we bought those HD Leaps. I only have 1 of them, so it's worth $1,200. But this is it's up 150%. So you're going to be paying a big premium on HD Leaps right now. We got those earlier. We got those like a month ago. No, we got those 4 months ago. Don't buy crap. Well, yeah, what I'm saying is if you're buying story stocks, if you're buying stuff like that, and the market does get worrisome or anything happens, like, yeah, you're going to be in trouble. But like, if you own real estate, you own companies that have been around for 50 years, could pay a dividend. Again, Walgreens even, and that's a little bit more risky. Abbevie, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, stuff like that. That's true. You could come to the stream every day, and you probably won't miss it if the market crashes. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. But that's it. You just get good quality though, but otherwise, I mean, you have to realize there's the market is overheating right now. That's why I think some people are like it's overheating, but that's an opportunity to make money. But don't underestimate how long it could overheat for. Like I think you have a year and a half, almost 2 years for real estate prices to go before you clear all the demand out. It's just even when you're looking at the market, you're gonna that's why I'm like, everyone's like, okay, now you have to sell. It's like, and you're melting up. It's gonna operate a different way right now, where I think you're gonna get people reacting to that. But that's usually the market heating up. There's 2 or 3 waves that come into play. It's like 03 to 05 or 2003 to 2005, 2006 was a huge price run up in real estate, and then people are like, okay, that's too much. And then 06 to 08 ran up even more, and then it crashed. Damn, 2 years? It's a boat. It's a big boat. Picture the Evergreen or the Ever Given. You remember that ship that got stuck? Why couldn't they move a ship? Boats are big. Boats are slow. Now imagine the United States and the global economy as a boat. You see? So try sinking that boat in a day. I'll give you $1 if you can, without using a rocket or a missile. You see what I'm saying? So unless those are the situations, it's not going to, it took at least 5 days, 4 days. Netflix came down. Let's see, Snap. There has to be an event. Well, yeah, to stop the boat. I'm saying feeling very bubbly. I agree with you. I mean, balance it out. That's why, you don't have to make active trades, but like it's even like with the long term, like you could have a long term right now. And you don't have to really be trying to actively trade, and it's working for you. That's it. Like at the end of the day, if growth came down, our value stocks come up. They balance everything out, but it's all you don't have to go too aggressive, but the prices are high. But this is the whole point. By outlaying money every month, going small and being smart about it, your small good decisions, you're never going to be fully exposed. That's the idea. That's it. So, because then it's even if it does come down, what's going to be the outcome if you still have your monthly deposits? You didn't, your concentration, everything. You'll be good. That's why. But you don't want to wait around. It's just like the people who wait 5-10 years, just to get a long term. It's the same. It's literally it's people from 2010. They're saying the same thing. But that's why it's like you could go little by. You don't have to go all in at once, but little by little at every single point of these markets, whether it looks bubbly, whether it looks bad, whether it looks good, whatever. It's playing the time and playing the clock versus the timing of this event or not. So I'm saying that so you get opportunity, but at the same time, let your caution you're cautious, rightfully so, and use that to get the best opportunity. Just move very, very smart. See what I'm saying? But keep your eye in the scope. You don't have to retreat from battle in a way. And you'll be surprised on both sides. Cyber attacks, financial sector are increasing. Let's see. Housing index 83 estimate 82. That's good. That was the retail sales number was crazy. That's part of what we have here today. The retail sales was very, very crazy. Coinbase balancing around. Some of the things are stopping here. SPY kind of edging down, but again, today very, very solid day. Do you guys realize how good today is right now off the bat? Like again, it's only been 30 minutes. And we are holding some percentages that would have, the last 2 weeks took us all day to get here. Say V put sweep. Again, remember there's that negative news on Visa a couple times. I think it's factoring in. Wafu Education. Didn't they pop the other day? Big candle, but there's no volume. No, be very careful on that. What the heck is that? Look at this. There's literally no volume. You have a minute of zero volume, then all of a sudden. So be careful on that one. Oscar. Missed yesterday because I got my wisdom teeth pulled out. God bless you, Josh of the Colts. Someone say Oscar? Hey, man, baby, Oscar. So yesterday was a very, very fun day, depending on what you played and how you look at it. But it was good. Yesterday was very, very great. Coinbase, that's what we're focusing on. Now you could buy it way lower than I did. Amen. DraftKings long term, now that sports betting will be legal across states. Yes, we had that idea last year. So we are up like 60%, but DraftKings is in the long term. Love that stock. Big fan. Google providing 250,000 COVID vaccines. They got a Google vaccine now? HCMC. Like the video. Yes, like yourself too. Okay, because we love you. So we need you to like yourself. How you like a video is a direct reflection of you. So I need you to like yourself first. Okay, I love you. Well, I had an Apple made an eye shot. I don't know. That'd be good. What is the greatest lesson you've learned since trading? That anything could happen and things happen slow. That's it. You know, that's don't sell anything. I don't know. I feel, why do I feel ashamed now? I mean, that's Jim Cramer worked, man. Okay, I love you, bro. I love you, Jim Cramer. But you got me feeling ashamed talking about the Warren Buffett philosophy. Things take time, but you can't. I mean, holding stuff. You know, don't spin your wheels. Yeah, HC's nice. The premiums are going up a lot, though. You just gotta be careful for that. Why am I sounding sad? I'm not. My voice is clapped. I'm smiling. He's like, you need to pick up the attitude, man. I'm just good. Oh, Eli running LLY. Oh yeah, 1.5. 1.5. Our average on Coinbase is 350. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Even then, actually, I want to pull up Bitcoin. How's young Bitcoin looking? I want to see if that correlation, how that's going to exist throughout the next coming days. Oh, okay. It starts literally right. Why is it right when I pull it up? They'll want you to win. 63. So remember, 62,000. That was the price yesterday. Coinbase was even reacting to. So we will see. Coinbase hit different, man. You gotta wait for the symptoms. So 4 shares of Coin, baby. Life is good. Hey, man. How do I get my name green? You sign up for the stream alerts. There's a member link. It's through YouTube. The stream alerts are separate. I appreciate you, though. God bless you. Sorry if it's confusing. We try to make it simple. Net and NVIDIA have... Oh, where is Net? That one's going to be a good one. I like that. I like Net a lot. The fact we're still in it, but it really depends here with the market. That's what I was even saying with Snap in these earnings plays. We need everything to kind of, You need the market environment to really, really support it. Damn, Nightbot Cloud, I love you. God bless you. Selling a put means you're willing to buy the shares at a strike price, yes, and you collect the premium, and you are putting up an agreement in cash to buy the stock at that price. Don't know if old news. Word is AT&T lost contract for environment with DoD switching to Microsoft. Has anybody heard that? Overstock dying, is it? 76. I think we're in at 72. Our second purchase was 72. I mean, you still, and it's down. I don't know. I like it still. And then the coin, the Bitcoin. Bonds are coming back up. TLT looking a little bit legit. Ethereum has just been on a tear. So let's look at these. SPY's finally coming down here. You're about to hit the low of the day. We gapped up 0.5%, though. So we'll see. Josh, I've been calling out Oracle past 8 days. Looks 52-week highs for every day. Option is cheap and unusual option. Open interest this week, 80, 82.5 call. We could take a look on it. What's it called? The thing we showed yesterday was the W2. Be careful on WAFU. That's a pump. Like this, I would not, just be careful. I mean, this thing is not trading any volume. You remember that. That was that first 60,000 shares. Don't get clapped. Don't get clapped. I don't know what they're trying to, it's just literally, there's nobody else trading it. And then that one trade came in. Bonds are going up. TLT. Uber everywhere. Look at the daily. I don't want to look at the daily. That's dirty. Looks fun. It looks fun. See, this is what I'm saying. This is the difference between you're in a bubble or not, and if you want to play, like, these are the ones you're going to probably want to avoid when it's all said and done. So you see what I'm saying? Like, you could go after it, everything's good, but if anything really did happen, you're like, wow, market's too overvalued. It's not the good quality stocks that are overvaluing the market. It's this type of shit. Bonds are shitting. This is good for bonds. Again, this is good for tech stocks. Velocity is always bad if it happens too much, but this is probably the best thing you've seen on TLT in a while. Again, when you're watching the NASDAQ up this much, bond yields are finally coming down. So this is bullish, actually. Bonds are very, very bullish today. Bonds were very bearish when TLT would go down. You said bonds are rising, but well, that's how it works. So when TLT goes up, that means bond yields go down. So when bond yields go down, even though the number goes down, it's actually bullish because a lower yield means more people are buying it. So when bond yields go up, that means less people are buying it. So that means it's actually bearish at that point. Oh, coin breaking through the 330. It looks like it's following Bitcoin. eBet Live. Is this the I think gaming IPO? eBet. Esports Technologies. Is that a buzzword? Esports. What do they do? How many shares? 2.4 million shares. But look, they only got 130,000 shares on the first. It's not out yet. What? Halted? That's crazy. Paying the plug. Thankful for the co-real estate. Started taking action January 21. Escrow closed on my first deal today. Have 3 properties under contract. Chest to the sun. God bless you, said say. Solo homes. Solo dolo to solo homes, baby. On. Amen. Look at that. 4 months. Took him 4 months. Start a real estate career. That's crazy. Now you got long-term money. Now I get some long-term money. Get some YOLO money. Get some real estate, baby. Well, bonds coming up real quick now. That's going to be interesting if this keeps going up. AMD, big candle. Yeah, AMD getting some steam right there. 4 or 5 candles. Beyond popping a little bit too. So again, as I said, first hour or so, we still got a little bit more time, but you're gonna watch the market kind of chill out. We might see more broadening. Bonds are looking very, very good right now, but we'll see. Getting shit done. Fall forward, baby. I love it, man. God bless you. That's what we need. Amen. What's my name on eToro? I don't have an eToro. It's probably somebody impersonating me. I mean, I use E-Trade and TD Ameritrade and Robinhood. I'm not really I don't use any social apps besides YouTube and maybe Instagram. That's about it. And Snapchat. Shout out Snapchat. Banks have positive earnings. This is day 2. So again, you got them, more companies, even how they're reacting, and with what you got going on with bonds and just overall market. But I think they're leveling out. It'll be chill. Yes, I do have a Instagram. My Instagram is at the Trading Fraternity. Hopefully I see you there. I averaged down on Neo. Sorry, Josh. Don't apologize to me. There's a future version of yourself 10 years from now. In 2031, you will have to explain it to him. I'm not going to care. I'm going to be like, oh, shit, no way. But he's going to be like, Chad, why did you do that? He's either going to tell you thank you or not. He's either going to be he's going to be like, why didn't you listen to Josh? Or he's going to be like, good thing you didn't listen to Josh. That's what's going to happen. So it's good. eBay got halted off the first candle. So it's a small 2 million share flow, but it got halted after 136,000 shares. Uber small breakout. Bro, bonds are going crazy right now. Is there anything else moving? Let me check. Because I think that retail play, SPY actually moving a lot right now. NVIDIA hitting a high. AMD kind of leveled out after those candles. Banks are still down. Coin is still getting clapped. Tesla's 0.5% down, surprisingly. Yeah, Uber coming up. Uber about to hit 61, and this is approaching those high levels. Get some tea and honey for your voice. Admire the dedication. Don't get clapped. It's actually not that bad. It's just, it's like I feel it, but I don't. It's good. You'll be good. You'll be good. Maybe if I talk quiet, I get too excited. That's it. I just get too excited. Even right now, I could get really excited. That's it. They want me to be good. They want me to be good. Woosah. When do you do a pyramid versus reverse pyramid? Pretty much if I think it could be more volatile. That's about it, if you really think about it. SPY's popping up right now. Bonds are going crazy. You're getting a massive amount of flow into bonds right now. I have to check this. I want to see if there's any currency really moving. Oh, there it is. Is oil moving? Bonds are shitting. Stop lying. Okay, man. You got me. My bad. Hey, guys. I mean, this is, this is bad for the, I don't know how to explain it like that, but yeah. Factor Cap. I'm Josh Answers, and this is Factor Cap, where we take your chat comments and put them to the test. Russia banned from sovereign debt. I know China. You guys want to know the most ironic thing? I was going to say, look for any currency above 1% today, and the only currency making a big weakening move while everything is strengthening is, ironically enough, Russia. So it could even be related to oil. Oh, wait, you guys don't see it. So look, usually moving more than 1% is pretty big, but they're moving 0.25%, but this is weakening, going up. They were up a lot more from the morning. It was really, really weak this morning. So Russia is escalating the crisis by limiting boat access in Black Sea. See, Bears, this is what you needed. You see what I'm saying? This is what you guys were missing. Like, let Putin do some dumb shit. Let people rush into bonds. Let currencies move. Now we're talking. But you see what I'm saying? There's a big green candle on oil probably, huh? Yep. Look at that. Oil's coming back up. So right? It's not adding the pressure to the market. This is what I'm saying. You have earnings mode. This will be your divergence, low key. Hold on. Because again, look at bonds are sending a signal here, but if the market can react good and we get that other stuff confirming, then you'll know what's up. We'll see how fast that develops. Oracle on the high, 52-week high. Coinbase says due to an issue, we've temporarily disabled Ether and ER20 withdrawals. Oh, yeah, I think that's just Ether in general. But that's not good for day 2. It's definitely not good for day 2. Perhaps Biden will pressure Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you. I love you. My poor voice. Oh, Nightbot clapped you. My birthday today, turning 32. Well, God bless you. I don't know your name from the account, but happy birthday. We love you, baby. Seen the name a lot. And happy birthday. Horn. I baptize all the other birthdays today in this horn too. Amen. Amen. Birthday turned at 23. Happy anniversary, Josh. It's not my anniversary, but thank you. Bathe in Bitcoin. I mean, killing it. We get ready. I mean, today may seem boring, but the fact that we called this out on the watch list, like it's just doing what I expected. So that's why you give it another 30, 40 minutes and you're going to watch. Then we'll see some more earnings moves widening out, but it's going to be a little interesting. I think bonds are I couldn't have predicted the bond move today. And the fact that now that we have the bonds, and now you get a little bit of Russia news, it makes things very, very interesting here today. But it's not anything, I don't think it's a cause of concern just yet, but there is a lot of stuff. You said coin got to upgrade? I don't see that one. That'd be good. Any tips looking at my first apartment? See if you could qualify for a loan first. Exports halted. Why do companies not publish their annual reports like currently in China? Annual reports, every company, it's called 10K. And annual reports once a year, but they do. I mean, we have way, way more strict standards financially. Bond move bad. It's not bad yet. Again, I'm telling you, it's going to get, bonds are going to get confusing again. If every time bonds start moving, because I have to explain this to you guys, or some of the people just don't get it. So follow with me, especially if you know what I'm saying. The bonds are bad and good right now. It's good right now because it eases the rates are coming down. You see where we're coming off of. It's good for the tech stocks. It's very good in that sense. But now it's bad because it could also be related with that oil situation and people moving towards it and the fact that it's happening quickly and fast. So if it happens too fast and now you see other reasons and then now there's other global currencies moving, that could be an issue. But it's more good than bad right now. I'd say 75% good. Maybe 70% good, 30% bad right now. But that could change by the end of the day, and that's the scary part or the sad part, because it's moved so fast already. Do people day trade bonds? You have people in the middle. There's a good market for it, but you're not really like. I think they do day trade, but it's not too crazy. I found a house for sale. It's my first agent. I know real estate is okay that I got my agent involved. Yeah. You don't pay him anything. The seller does. Nobody knew about bonds. Now peeps are watching, react to them because they're hypersensitive to what they're oblivious to.
Power E-Trade gives you an award-winning mobile app with powerful, easy-to-use tools and interactive charts to give you an edge, 24/7 support when you need it the most, plus $0 commissions for online U.S.-listed stocks.
Good. Do we follow the criteria? No, I looked like it. I mean, you've seen me front run. That's why I used the reverse pyramid. That's why I didn't go in with the full amount. It had that first couple candles. It looked like it was going to hit it. Got in it there, and then it just got everything went downhill from there. But if you followed the criteria, it hit to a T. If you waited till 50% volume, you would have got it at 329, 326, which was crazy. But is Coinbase still getting clapped? Here's how much we're down. For reference, where is Coin? Oh, it's not going to be on the high. It's not going to be on the low. Where is it? Down 7%, $1,500. I mean, most of the damage is, and that was the biggest damage we had yesterday. We're down like $2,000. Really not, I mean, and that's on a $20,000 position. How much do you like to see the first candle? There's no real, you could just get an idea because that first candle sucked, and then the second candle and third candle, those sped up. You just don't know. Coinbase getting slapped. I mean, again, I just think it's emotional for people, and I think it's getting people, what's it called? I think people like to use it. It's going to be a good stock. I mean, that's it. I'm telling you. It's going to be great. You could just see it. You got people like, screw this stock. I don't like this. Or like, you have so many I told yous, and I love it. Does that make sense? You have so many finger points with it. That is kind of what you want, because whenever it does break to a direction, or once it gets to a certain level, that's, you let time play that situation. It will be a battle royale. Bank stocks did get slammed today. SPY going up right now. SPY's hitting a 52-week high, 414.50, 414.51. New 52-week high. Oh, shit. How is the random account? There might be contracts expiring tomorrow. eBet's out again. eBet's at IPO. They've halted it after the first candle. Bro, they just scammed everybody. How did they do that? Was that at 25? 28 to 35? This one's only 2.5 million shares. That's weird. At what price? At $6 each? Oh, you're crazy. I guess the market cap's not too bad, but that's wild. Let's halt it again. That $6 opening up at 28, halting it after 100,000 shares, opening it up at 35, and then halting it again. Oh, you're crazy. I'm out. I'm not gonna play that one. Just like Easy Go. That's how we got clapped. eBet, Easy Go. And if that one, bro. Now that's how you IPO, baby. Come on, Coinbase. Coinbase was like, hey, let's have a meeting before and show them why we love each other. And we'll put it out, and then right when you leave, we'll open the stock. Okay? Got it. Perfect. Thank you. I'm like, all right, great. Great. That was literally their game plan. No, we don't need to ring the bell. 414.85. SPY breaking out right now. New high, getting led the way with Microsoft, even though Microsoft plays. Those Microsoft plays are starting to really ramp up now. You're going to watch the earning moves. Even bonds are shooting up, though, so watch oil. Coins even coming up with that. Let's see if you start seeing a lot of other stuff get bounces off that. Oh, look at Roblox coming back towards 80, or at least towards 77, at least on the high. Myrna puts Peace and Refuge. Have you ever bought a call in your life? Just one time. I know Chad knows what I'm talking about. Now you're famous in here. You know that, right? They know. They know. I'm seriously. Have you bought a call once in your life? Just tell me. Just be truthful with me. I love him though. He's been here for a minute, bro. He's been here for a minute. Peace and Refuge has been here for like years though, low key. Like he's an OG. Call it what you want, but he's an OG. Like I mean, I've seen him too many times. That's why I'm asking. I'm like, dude. That's why I can't even. I've clapped him and I've unclapped him. Like I can't even clap him again. That's why I'm like, what is it, bro? Like, come on. Someone said puts in refuge. I like that. Puts in refuge for sure. Said call. Y'all know all of you are famous. You know that, right? All of you are famous. Y'all know each other. Y'all, it's like a big school. If you think about it, you're like, oh, that kid again. Uh-huh. Like, oh, look at the mods. They think they're so cool with their wrenches. Oh, look at me. I'm a mod. Oh, look at my wrench. Oh, yeah, fuck you. Yeah, ban me. Ban me. Ban me. I love it. I love it. Y'all great. Y'all great. Roblo going. Mike, everything's going. Look at this again. I don't even know if this is even killing. At one point, this might even, I don't even know if people are shorting this because it's starting to just ramp up. This is a real melt up here, and you're seeing these big, crazy moves. So, like, Microsoft's hitting all-time highs now. Roblox is coming up there. A lot of the momentum is now starting to pick up, but it's already hot this morning. So, you're hitting the first hour. Yeah, overstocking coin getting clapped a little bit. Microsoft's killing it. Those contracts are up. It's what, almost 500%? I've looked pretty consistently over a year now. Maybe some people recognize me. Who knows? This is my home away from home. Changed my life straight up. I recognize you. I love you, baby. God bless you. We're glad you're here. I love all of you, man. Love all of you. It's beautiful. Beautiful. We all hold a small piece of real estate in your mind. If you try to sell that as an NFT, I'm going to kill you. It's not a threat, but like it kind of, just don't do it, okay? You've never done spreads on your channel, bro. Only calls and puts. I invented the ghetto spread. Fuck out of here. Come on. No, we haven't done spreads in a while. Last time I did any spread, I keep getting blown out on them. Or the market, there's so much going on that it makes just more sense to buy and play the upside. Schwab adds 3.2 million new brokerage accounts first quarter. Do you sell puts often? We've done a couple puts. Again, that's why I'm still even holding those Spotify's. Is Snapchat up? I like Netflix for the remember Netflix run-ups, Snap. Look at any companies reporting next week, you guys, because if the market starts getting a little aggressive here and at least holds up, you can start setting up for those. Love the stream. I'm a Emma. Low now. I can only listen a little, but I love the knowledge. Amen, bro. That's hype. We love the Emma. Post any big name earnings for next week. Netflix is not tomorrow. Netflix is Tuesday. UNH reported this morning. I did buy Funko calls, yes. Those are still up. Those are up 30%. They were up 70% 2 days ago. Those are the longer term ones in the money. Snap, Intel next week, AT&T, Too Simple, UAL, Abivai, Roblox. Is Roblox next week? I think Roblox might be next week. LCR, LRCX, CMG Wednesday after close, Intel, KO, Harley Davidson, Pinterest. That's what you have to go look at. Again, if they're not moving it, the fact Microsoft is getting a huge lead into earnings. The only position we have on Microsoft are those Mays out the money, bottom at 60 cents. They're holding 230 right now. Verizon, Tesla, good. Roblox, April 27th. But, ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open. Drop your thumbs up on the video. Make sure you're subscribed. You're on mobile. Press hide chat. X out the Chad. Hit the thumbs up button. Second link for the nightly watch list in main channel. First link for this Scream Alerts Bootcamp and Real Estate course. Follow me on Instagram at The Trading Fraternity. Keep it positive and respectful. Make sure you guys hit the bell. But we've been here for an hour. It's kind of like church here. I need you to stretch a little bit, get up, and talk to your neighbor and greet them. Say hello. My name is Jad Toma. My name is Jed Toma, Isaiah Kabibi. Say their name. Type out their name. Greet each other. It's a good icebreaker. Say hello, and then tell me your favorite stock. Say, hi, my name is Evan, and my favorite stock is this, and my favorite crypto is that. Okay? Run it, baby. I'll be back in like 30 seconds, a minute. It depends. We'll see. BRB.